In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the new chat and channels experience in Microsoft Teams. In the latest version of Microsoft Teams, chat and Teams sections are combined into a single view. If the new chat and channels experience is not helpful for you, you can revert to the previous setup where chat and channels are separated. Click on the three-dot menu in the Teams interface. Select Customize View from the menu. Under the Viewing Chats and Channels section, choose the Separate option. As you can see, chat and channels are now separated in the sidebar. Alternatively, you can access this setting from the Teams App Settings menu. Currently, there is no option in the Teams Admin Center to configure this setting globally. As a result, each user needs to configure it manually. Steps in Teams app in iOS devices. Tap on the account picture at the top left corner. Select Settings options. Select Chats and Channels. Toggle the switch to turn off the combined chats and Teams view. Steps in Teams app in Android devices. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.